In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your business name on PayPal. This procedure is straightforward, but there are a few key details you need to pay attention to in order to ensure a smooth process. Let's dive in and explore each step with some added insights and tips along the way. To start, you'll want to log into your PayPal account. Make sure it's a business account, as this process is specific to those types of accounts. For best results and full access to all necessary features, it's recommended to use a web browser instead of the mobile app. Sometimes, the mobile app doesn't provide all the options you might need. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to your account settings or profile. This is your main hub for managing account details, and it's where we'll make the necessary changes. You'll see a gear icon known as the settings icon. Go ahead and click on that. Next, locate the section specifically dedicated to business information or business profile. It may be labeled slightly differently, depending on any updates or versions PayPal might have. Within this section, keep an eye out for a link or button related to the business name, though it could also be labeled as Name or Account Owner Information. When you find the link to edit or change the name, give it a click. PayPal will then prompt you to select a reason for the change. You might see options like, Your business name has changed, among others. Be sure to select the one that applies to your situation. Now, it's time to enter the new business name you wish to use. It's crucial to ensure that this new name is consistent with your legal business documents and any names on your linked bank accounts. Discrepancies may cause delays or issues during the approval process. After entering your desired business name, you might be required to submit some documentation to prove this change is legitimate. Such documentation could include a business registration certificate or government ID. Make sure you have digital copies of these documents ready, as you'll need to upload them for review. Once you've submitted everything, be prepared to wait a few days while PayPal reviews your request. This approval turnaround time can vary, but they usually act promptly. As a final step, PayPal will notify you via email or account notifications once they either approve or reject the name change. It's always a smart move to verify that the new business name aligns with all of your legal business records to avoid any complications. By following these instructions and being prepared with the necessary documents, you should be able to update your PayPal business name smoothly and efficiently. Thank you for tuning in, and good luck with your business.